today I am going to show you my ginger, turmeric and lemon concoction. It's organic ginger. This is the one you buy in the shop, and then this is the organic one. The main difference firstly is the colour. Organic one has more of an orange tinge to it. The second difference that I can see here is the skin. This skin is more papery. Can you hear that? It peels more like paper. And also this ginger is a lot more pungent. Like normally you can only really smell the ginger when grating it or grinding it, but this one you can actually smell it quite pungent already. So that's how strong it is. I got that today, and I've got some fresh turmeric here as well. So first things first, I'm just gonna snap it, and that is so strong. Yeah, that is, you can definitely tell the difference. So I've snapped that off, and I'm literally gonna just grate that. So it's really simple. I'm just gonna grate that, and I'm just gonna peel a little bit of this turmeric as well. So that is your turmeric there. Peeled a little bit of that. So I've got my organic ginger and I've got turmeric. Then I'm just gonna get an organic unwaxed lemon. So I've just cut a fresh slice from here. Then all I'm gonna do is literally pour some water in here. You can just grate these into the water and let that boil in. So that's the organic ginger. Like so. Let's get the rest off in there. And that should be more than enough. So I put in about the amount that I peeled off on the outside, just that little bit. I'm going to do the same now with the turmeric. And you know, the longer it boils the better, because turmeric really shouldn't be raw. Just put that in. Now this is really good for inflammation in the body, if your body's out of balance, you know, if you're stressed, things like that. It's really good for the body. I've always hated it, but I've gotten used to it just because I know that it's good for me. So you just let that boil on a low heat at the moment. Make sure that turmeric is not raw and it cooks in properly. So I've just turned up the heat slightly. You'll be able to see that it's really boiling. And if I just show you the colour, you can see that the turmeric has completely turned the water orange. I'm going to just let that boil some more until it's really bubbling. I've just taken the mug and my sift because I'm going to drain out the little bits and pieces of the skin. All we really want is just the water that's left over that's been infused with that ginger and turmeric. We don't want the little bits and pieces because it's not very nice to choke on those. So I've got my mug and I've got my sift, and what I'm going to do, I am going to pour the water into here because we don't want all that skin from the ginger and the turmeric. We literally just want the water from it that has been infused with those flavours. So I'm just going to show you, that is completely, look at that, that has turned it completely brown, almost orange. It's like a glowing red, orange, brown concoction, and that's how you know it has really infused into the water, and that is what's going to help your body from any inflammation you might have, any just stress. It's really good for nerves, everything like that. And with everything that's going on at the moment, I'm sure everyone's at least like 1% stressed. So we kind of need this stuff right now. I'm actually going to let that sit for like a minute. Let all those flavours just calm down into the water. Now I'm going to pour all of that into a mug, catching all of that skin from the ginger and the turmeric. Now that is really pungent, I can tell by the colour. And then with the little spoon, I'm just squeezing and pressing And that is pungent. You can really, turmeric is really coming through after it's being boiled. The difference between the turmeric and the ginger is that you really need to boil the turmeric for the aroma to come through, but with the ginger it's already there. This is what the cup looks like. And that is how pungent it is. So this is how pungent just those two ingredients are. It's turned it completely like a reddish, browny, orange concoction there. And with this, you can now put the lemon in, or if you want, you can have it like that. Or what you can do is just taste it first and see if you want the lemon in with that. But this is very potent. So I'm about to have this. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you. If you like the video, subscribe, like, share. I will be bringing you a lot more cooking recipes. And let me know in the comments how your ginger tea came out. I'm going to drink this. I will see you guys in my next video. So bye.